Google has decided to pull its Dear Sydney ad from Olympic coverage following a strong backlash from viewers. The 60-second commercial featured a father who uses Google's Gemini AI to draft a fan letter to Olympic star Sydney McLaughlin-Levrone on behalf of his daughter. The ad, intended to showcase Gemini's ability to assist with writing, has been criticized for missing the essence of a personal fan letter. Many felt that the ad undermines a genuine, heartfelt connection intended in such communications by suggesting that AI can take over the creative process. Washington Post columnist Alexandra Petri even expressed her frustration, saying she wants to throw a sledgehammer into the television every time she sees it. Google has responded to the criticism, stating that the ad was meant to demonstrate Gemini's role as a tool for starting ideas or drafts, not as a replacement for human expression. However, the ad's execution has been seen as problematic, with critics arguing that it overlooks the personal touch and vulnerability that make fan letters meaningful. This isn't the first time a tech giant has faced criticism over AI-related ads. Earlier this year, Apple also faced backlash for its Crush ad featuring a hydraulic press destroying items, which many felt was insensitive given concerns about AI replacing creative work. Ultimately, the Dear Sydney ad highlights the ongoing struggle tech companies face in balancing technological innovation with genuine human connection. The core issue with the ad is not ad replacing jobs but rather the misunderstanding of what makes personal communication special: authenticity and effort.